Hello, my name is Joanne Modesta and I'm the Family and Community Health County Extension Agent for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Hidalgo County. Walk Across Texas is an 8-week program that is designed to help Texans establish the habit of regular physical exercise. Each adult team may include up to 8 team members, all working together of walking 832 miles. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to line dance Good Time by Alan Jackson. I will be modifying this line dance. I hope these modifications will make line dance more accessible and enjoyable for everyone regarding their skill levels or experience with dizziness. Alright, we're going to start with a right forward 8. So it's going to be toe, heel, toe, heel. So ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that again. So toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Got it? Alright, once we finish with that, we're going to take our right foot and we're going to step out. So what we're going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So let's do that all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, clap. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing going that way. So here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, friend. Here we go. Clap. All right. Let's do that all together. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. All right, now we're going to go back. So we're going to go back for 8 counts. So you go up on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's practice that again. Up with our right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after that, we're going to shuffle. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, da 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 da, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So after that, we're going to shuffle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. All right, let's do all of that together. Starting from the beginning. Forward, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle. And then we're almost done. We're gonna, out of breath. We're almost done. We're going to step out. 1, shimmy, close. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So let's do all that together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, clap, out, shimmy, clap. Great job.